Hey there, it's me, Moist Andy, and I needed to save some money, so to cut my beard, I want to get this done here. I got these from a pet store once. It's for your dog's fur. Funnily enough, it should work on a human. Oh yeah, just one battery, really. That's all you need for this, though. I've never tried this actually before, just testing it out. You gotta do this all above the sink. And looks like it's working, I guess. I got plenty more batteries charged up if I need them. I'm not gonna botch this. I have many ways of fully trying to cut my beard. It's not gonna work on my head hair. This is such a small little thing. I wonder, like, would I have to lubricate it to keep it maintained right? I don't know, man. It seems to have this little plastic thing on it here. I don't know if it could unscrew and maybe it would be more, get closer to the skin. It's like such a slow thing though. Oh, it's coming up a little piece at a time. Oh, this is tiny living up here. So on the 10th floor, you see, up in the tower, I don't really need anything but this is as small as it gets. Just one little AA battery, and you could have a nice shave. You're gonna pay extra down at the barber shop. And I haven't cut this beard in 3 months or so. It's maybe older. Oh yeah, it's about as long as it was when I went to the hospital one time in an ambulance, and they had to cut it out to gain access, like to see the facial injury. I had like facial fractures. I took that face first. This is about as close as it really gets with this clip on here. So I do have other rechargeable thingies. Got the ability to unscrew or something. Forgot, how does this unlock? Oh, hoo-hoo. Isn't that interesting? That's just what it's designed to do. Oh, that's just much more nice. I could finish this beard. Oh, yeah. It's not as good as the barber would probably be able to cut it, but I don't know. What am I damaging this thing? How long is it gonna take until I can't do this anymore? Until I need like a new pair. What do I need? Oil, like lubricating? I thought there's a little maintenance and cleaning, and do I have to sharpen it or what? Maybe it sharpens itself. Then this. Oh, this is working. Well, my beard is gone now. Couple loose bits. They could chews them up or something. You try pass over it a few times. Okay, get really nice and close down in here. Hey, this is effective. Then just so in case it clogged up. Remove the loose debris, and then finish it up. Feeling around, I did miss a few things there. Maybe I could get it. I'm ambidextrous. Oh. All above the sink. It's not even a mess on the floor, is it? Okay. All right, now. What else did I miss? Like something here? Wow. This is hard to do. So it's like you gotta get the comb in the bristles, or else it doesn't do it. Or this was just good to save battery on this thing a little, you know, or just because this little attachment is too tiny. But it does seem to be sharper. Oh yeah. Get right in there. Oh. Mist all out here. Go in like a bunch of columns. Or crisscross, but try not to cut your neck. You could go crisscross applesauce sometimes, so it is a very safety. This is nice. Oh, it's working good. Now I get to finalize. This is my final draft. I want to get the to make the revise. This. Now I look like a different person. I'm about to go grab my package later at the front desk. I wonder if they won't recognize me. Yeah, I'm just up here on the 10th floor, you know. I need my new pair of some boots, Timberland. I like the safety. Like, it's good to take good care of your face, your beard, and also you take care of your feet. Two things. If you wanna take care of brush your teeth. Don't be silly now. I did get some mustache kind of in my teeth there. I could use it fresh mouth anyway. I'm about to go ride my bicycle. Should I really get it? I don't think. Yeah, I'm gonna skip the haircut because these barbers are trying to get you to pay cash and all this funny business. Oh, I don't want to do that. I don't need to go. That's humiliating. It's so embarrassing. Going into the barbershop as a grown man. Why can't you just do it by yourself? Are you kidding? Like, that's just lazy. I'll just wait till it's a little longer and then see if I could buy a new pair of trimmers. I could use scissors. I got it in my car, but that's not really very important right now. Let's see what I do. Maybe moist Andy.